Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to leave a review on TEMU. It's a very easy process, so let's get straight into it. The first thing that you want to do is open up your preferred browser and head down to the TEMU website. Now open up the official website and from here sign in to the account that you're using and that you place the order on where you want to leave a review. Now simply head down to orders and account, and from there we're looking through all our orders and finding the delivered order where we want to leave a review. Now let's say I just bought this book right here and I want to leave a review on that book. Now simply head down to the order, go to leave a review, and from there, as you can see, it has been delivered. Simply press yes, continue to review. Go to the review item that you want to go to, simply the book right here. Press it. Now you can pick a photo, a video, leave a easy sign, and from there you can make a description. So how was the fit? Good fit. Nice thick pages, for example, and there you can leave a rating. Now here you can hide your profile or you can leave it as B, and from there you can submit the review and it will be placed on the book. Now it's a very easy process, and if you still got any other questions, leave them in the comments down below. If this content has helped you, I would highly appreciate it if you could subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.